Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to delete your status on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to delete your status on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to delete your status on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to delete your status on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting status on WhatsApp is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is very simple. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing different options at the top. Click on status. Now you are seeing my status and seeing three dots in front of my status. Click on it. Now again click on three dots and press delete. Click on delete and your status will be deleted. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete your status on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.